Oh my God.
Oh, you're ready.
Is this drink going to be hot?
It's going to be.
Or is it going to be bitter?
Or is it going to be hot and bitter?
Ooh. That's quite the combination. Maybe you'll have to watch and see.
Taking my pants off for this. Welcome to Combat Cocktails. Dan and Derek. Making you a drink.
Always.
Called the Palomar.
I need jigger.
Well, I don't care. Dude, this is our first drink for the evening.
And a strainer. Well, he didn't get me prepared.
Yeah, but you see, I'm telling you, you need a strainer? You got a strainer.
I got a strainer.
Because people are going to be like, wow, that guy is so drunk. We haven't drank. Oh, okay, so I guess we did drink something.
We drank a couple things, but no. I mean, we're not like stupid drunk.
No, we're just stupid.
Yeah, we're just stupid, pretty much.
This cocktail called the Palomar.
That thing's upside down. It's messing me up.
Oh my God.
Hold on.
Just turn it, yeah. There we go.
I'm like, oh my God.
That is fucking weird.
What is happening right now?
No, the camera was all messed up. It's just like half a
Don't worry, I'm just losing my shit.
So this recipe.
Look at this.
Okay, so that is Republic Tequila.
Republican.
Organic Plata. Blanco.
There's that fucking
silver.
gate right here.
Yeah.
Wall.
Yeah, see, there's where the wall goes. Right there. They should make, somebody's going to be capitalizing on that for tequila.
Oh my God.
Your last tequila before they close the wall. Like, somebody's got to do...
Somebody's
brands need to do something with this. They've only got so much time. Like a year. So... this is a fairly old bottle. You probably saw it reviewed in like 2012 or some shit.
Jesus Christ.
That's actually their second bottle sent me, so it might not be that old.
Now he changes his tune. Oh, no, I got that like last week, I think.
No, not last week. I said 2012. It might be more like 2015. In any case, it needs to be drank, so we're going to drink it.
Okay.
The Palomar is going to be 1.5 ounces of Blanco Tequila. It's going to be... dude... you need to put that shit on the table so I can see you do your move. What's this? Don't hide shit from my audience. That's not cool.
Shit.
Man.
I just got yelled out.
1.5 ounces of Blanco Tequila, 3/4 ounce of lime juice, 1/2 ounce of Campari, 1/2 ounce of grapefruit juice, 1/2 ounce of Demerara syrup, and 1 dash of Boy Drinks World Cocktail Spice. Available right now at AwesomeDrinks.com.
Shit.
What?
Oops. Don't worry.
We don't know if it's going to taste anything like what Ram expects it to taste like.
Like, what can a 1/4 ounce do? Really?
It depends on what it is. If it's 1/4 ounce of this, it could give you flaming shits.
What's a 1/4 ounce really going to do?
I don't know.
We'll see. So,
this recipe is from boydrinksworld.com. I pulled it off there because I'm going to be working on redesigning his website for him.
Nice.
And so we're going to do a big promotional thing. And so I wanted to start to roll in the Serrano bitters into our product line for the show.
Just 1 dash?
Yeah, the whole thing is dash.
The whole
thing. Clear it. There you go. That's an 1 ml worth of product right there.
So a dash is 1 ml?
Yes. Don't do drops. If a bitter container comes with a dropper, it's assumed that the entire dropper, as much as it can hold, it's not always full, but as much as it can hold is a dash.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
See, I did not know that.
And you'll never be able to fill the whole thing. This is actually the measuring thing, is the little nip. Mm-hmm. Like, that is what decides how much you can fit, because it's never going to fit the whole thing. It's only this much. But that is what measures it. And you can put it on a scale and measure it out to a milliliter. I did all that science at one point, just to check to see.
That's a lot of science.
The only time that's not true is if you have a sampler size type thing. Like something like this.
Yeah.
This will never dash out the same because it's a smaller.
But then how many dashes do you put in for 1 dash?
It will usually tell you right on the bottle if it isn't 1 dash. It'll say 5 of these equal 1 dash.
Okay.
But normally when you buy a product like that on AwesomeDrinks.com, use the coupon code SUMMER19, right? Yep.
Should buy it.
To save 20% on these Serrano bitters.
It's going to be awesome.
Then that entire thing is a dash. What else? Shake, strain into a rocks glass. You can garnish with a lime wheel. I'm not going to because then I got to go up and find some limes.
Yeah.
And that's a pain. For Demerara syrup, conveniently also at AwesomeDrinks.com, we sell Liber & Co. Demerara gum syrup. So Demerara gum syrup versus Demerara syrup that you can make with turbinado sugar has gum arabic, and that gives it a silky smooth flavor and taste. Not flavor, but palate type flavor thing. So it tastes like egg white. Like you get that smooth silkiness. Otherwise, if you need Demerara syrup, the syrup. Go buy yourself some turbinado sugar, boil it
Make
until
it.
it goes clear, and then you're done. But I would suggest while you're buying the Serrano, you just pick up a bottle of this. Cause
It's much easier.
best
Yeah.
thing in the world.
Then you don't have to buy sugar. You don't have to make it. You
No.
already have it.
Exactly.
People see it. They think it's fancy.
Right. I mean, if you carry a bottle like this, what you could do, and I've done this, is you buy a bottle like this, you use it all, then you refill it up later with your own syrup. And people are like, oh, yeah, that's
Yeah,
right.
they're like, whoa.
Yeah.
You're like, this shit tastes good. You're like, that's right. You should buy it from awesomedrinks.com.
Yeah, there you go. You could be our advocate. So, it has Campari in it. So that's kind of scary but trendy at the same time. A little spicy.
Ooh, a little spicy on the back end.
Then the bitterness comes in.
Let me tell you, a quarter ounce doesn't do anything.
What did you... A quarter ounce of... What did you do?
I did 3/4. Oh, it's so spicy.
Really?
I did 3/4 grapefruit
Oh.
and
great.
3/4 lime. It's hard when you're trying to like read over there, and I'm like looking at things and over there and over here, over there, right there. Like it's like a triangle. When I get caught in the middle, then I'm just pouring shit.
Yeah, it's okay when we're like just drinking because nobody knows.
Yeah.
It's like this is my new
Yeah,
thing.
you're like, I'm good.
Yeah. So you guys just follow the recipe. More than likely, you're gonna fuck up too, and that's cool. Nobody's perfect, right?
See, even the audience. See, you yelled at me, and he saw that.
What did I yell at you with? When I told you to go on the camera?
Yeah.
No, Peggy said, now you know why he's hiding it.
Because he's fucking it up. It's like, let's take that.
That's
away.
pretty good. A little bitter, but the
The
spice.
You
like,
have to. You have to. You
like
don't
it.
have to like
It's good.
too much Campari. This is a drink that I think Stephen Foyes is gonna like because he's a big fan of like the bitter Campari drinks.
It's good.
Not a huge Campari
Even
fan.
Jen, I think, is gonna like this drink.
Yeah, didn't we do the Division Bell?
Yeah.
I know.
Look at her over there like a cat.
I don't know.
She just growled at you. She's like,
Even Jen might like this.
Wait.
there it is.
Yeah.
Now you heard him
Not
say.
the swan again.
No, it's not as bittery as that.
No, it's not. Like, the Campari comes through, but you know what it is? It's the grapefruit and the lime actually cut the bitterness.
So it's probably good. Yeah, extra.
Right, because
That's because I added extra grapefruit because I figured I'd fix the drink up a little bit. Because that's what I do.
the funny thing is the grapefruit, since it's freshly squeezed, doesn't have that crazy bitterness that you get out of like a bottle of grapefruit. Otherwise, all bets are off. I don't know what this is going to taste like if you do that. I don't like bottled grapefruit juice at all. I don't know why, but this does not. It's so much fresher and sweeter.
The grapefruit actually, it comes through. I don't know if it's because I put too much in.
you can taste.
Oh, yeah.
You can taste the grapefruit, but it's not as bitter. What happens is what you think is bitter turns out to be fire, and then the bitter drop.
The fire actually does really well in this drink.
Yeah, it's not too much.
No.
But I'd do more.
It's there. No, I think it's just right. Because you don't want to be like, every time you drink, you're like,
Right.
like every time you're like, oh, let's get,
It's like most of the time
You're like, hey, what's going on? This is
remember that last
yeah,
I made you a drink like that.
yeah, I know.
Or something.
Yeah, shit was hot.
Yeah, we got another drink this week or this month that's gonna be hot.
I used this shit.
The firework. Oh yeah.
no,
We used
the
the
Naga chili.
500,000 Scoville. I
Yeah.
have a video on the 500,000 Scoville
Yeah.
vodka. The Naga chili vodka. That's crazy shit.
Yeah.
Especially if you use this too much. This is a lot easier to manage.
That actually gives it a really good
just
heat.
a little bit heat.
Yeah.
A little bit heat. So this bottle is 4 ounces, right? So this is gonna last you a long time.
It's good.
Because you can't drink.
If you like heat in your drinks,
Yeah, and not too much.
and
Just the right
it's
amount.
actually better than like when you shake it with like a jalapeno or something.
Yeah, it's harder to control that.
Yeah.
Because you don't know what some jalapenos are hotter than other ones.
Yeah.
And you don't, or habanero or whatever. Sometimes I've had jalapenos that have been hotter than habaneros, and then I've had habaneros that wanted to murder my soul. So like you got these guys. At least this is more consistent.
Yes.
Because he's not going to release something that's going to murder your soul, unless that's what you're looking
Yeah. Till later.
for. Also wanted to mention our executive producer is Chuck Barker. He's a new YouTube channel member, so if you're watching the show for the first time, or the second time, or you're just watching it, there's a blue button that says join. If you
Do it.
click on that, I think I get like $5 a month from you.
Aiden said to use his $5 for tequila.
Nice.
Aiden, another new channel subscriber, will be in this month's executive producer list because I've built it already and I remember his name.
Nice.
So Stay tuned to Aiden for that. Everybody else, make this drink and go to awesomedrinks.com and get your Serrano bitters. If you're like, but Derek, I don't remember what you said. That's fine. Go to recipe.awesomedrinks.com because I'll post this recipe there called the Palomar. And then I will remind you again when I redesign Ram's website for the new Boy Drinks World stuff. And I start promoting it on our channel because why wouldn't I promote cool stuff I'm doing?
Exactly.
So I'm kind of, what do you call it when you promote your own stuff?
A promoter?
Yeah. Obnoxious?
So, I think you're already that.
I start there.
Yeah, that's level one. That's level one.
That's here, and then I go up.
Yeah, that's the video one, and then we
and
go
this is
up.
awesome.
Yeah.
So we're working on getting awesome. Sidebar, more videos. I'll throw some spicy ones in there. Down below, the Awesome Drinks Bartender Starter Kit, where you can still use that coupon code SUMMER19, which will still save you 20%, which I mentioned earlier, to get yourself some Serrano bitters, some Demerara, and a whole cocktail kit so you can make this recipe tomorrow.
Good shaker.
And a shaker. That's part of the kit, though.
Don't use one of the shitty ones.
We're teaching you how to drink.